Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. I'm about to show you an amazing Koli style fish curry. This is such an easy preparation, but the end result is lip smacking. Come on. Now here I have all the ingredients. 1 large tomato chopped, handful of coriander leaves with stems, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, half-inch piece of ginger chopped, 1 small red onion, 1.5 cup of fresh grated coconut, and this is the most important ingredient, the Koli Masala. I have taken 3 tablespoons, but you can adjust the quantity as per how spicy you like. But make sure you don't skip this masala. This masala is available in most grocery stores or even online. Let's go ahead and all the ingredients including the Koli Masala into the blender, and we will first blend it with a little water and then add more water to blend it to a smooth paste. You can adjust the water as per consistency you like. This is perfect. Keep it aside for a while. Here I have 2 pomfrets cleaned, washed and patted dry. Remove the inside and wash them thoroughly. Season with salt and turmeric. The detailed recipe with measurements is in the description box below. Make sure all the pieces are coated well. Leave it aside for 15 minutes. Now let's go ahead with the curry. We will fry the masala until the oil separates. Saute a bit and mix well and cover and cook until you see oil separating. Wow, the aroma is incredible. Give a good mix, and do you see the oil separated? That means the masala is cooked well. Add hot water as per consistency you like, but I have added 2 cups of water. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Once mixed, we will half cover and allow to cook on low flame until the oil separates. It takes approximately 5 minutes. You see how the oil has separated? Now gently drop each fish piece, and this time we will cook on medium-low flame for 7 to 8 minutes for the fish to cook completely. Wow, looks so delicious and perfectly cooked. Garnish with some coriander leaves and a fish curry is ready. You can serve over fresh steamed rice. Enjoy this recipe until I bring you another next week. Bye.